Hey guys, welcome back. I'm super excited to share this video with you guys today. I'm absolutely in love with how these turned out. I've been thinking about creating a set like this for a while, and I honestly think it's perfect for Christmas time. Here is my little Pinterest collage inspiration board, and we're just gonna get right into it. I used those soft gel tips, long stiletto from Temu, and I'm just going in with a jelly red polish on all the nails as the base. I'm going to do 2 coats and cure in between, which I'm pretty sure I cut out all the curing because you don't need to see that. So this set is actually really easy. I think I used 4 colors. I used a jelly red, as you're seeing here, from the set off of Amazon. Honestly, you can make a jelly red if you don't have one with a red and just add some top coat until you like how it looks. So I used a jelly red, I used a jelly black, which came from the same kit. I used from Model 1's a like ruby red glitter polish and a like traditional red color. So there I did my cure. I had already did my second coat, which I cut out, and I just added some of my colors to the palette, as you could see right there. Those are the colors I'm talking about. And I'm just taking a brush with some of the red and creating little cloud shapes, which was actually really way easier than I was expecting. So I believe I do it on, I don't know, whatever. You'll see how many nails I do it on. I do it on 3. So first I just start creating the red cloud, and then I'm going to end up adding some of the jelly black to my palette, and I'm going to create depth onto the bottoms of the clouds with some of that jelly black. Right now I'm taking the glittery red and applying it near the cuticle just for some extra little, I don't know, sparkle down there. I think it turned out cute. I wish I would have zoomed in closer because that would have obviously made more sense, but I'm still getting the hang of this, guys, so I'm sorry, but you know, it's honestly really a simple design. So after I do that, I'm gonna cure it. Here we are cured, and right now I'm taking that jelly black, like I said, and I am adding depth into the bottoms of the clouds, because I guess that's how I would picture it in my head. Really though, this is so simple, this part, and I am so happy with how it turned out. Like, even if I would have just done all the nails like this with the clouds and the jelly black, it ends up looking so beautiful even before the charms. So definitely give this a try. And again, if you don't have a jelly black, you can create one with a black and a top coat. So you don't need to like go be buying things if you just want to test it out. And there I cured again. Oh my god, I actually zoomed in. And I'm just doing a quick no wipe top coat on all the nails. This is my favorite one. I got it from Shein. It is, let me look, I have it right here. It is the gel polish brand, just the hand chow top coat, and it's really nice. It's thin and it's super shiny, and it cures really nicely. Itself levels really good too. So I'm just gonna finish applying that, and I'm going to cure it again, and then I think we get into some of the charms. So if you didn't see my last upload, I did part 3 of my Temu charm haul, and I just, once I saw all the silver charms, I knew that this vision that I had in my head could finally come to life. So look at that, guys. Look how nice that top coat is, and I love that cloud effect. So I'm just taking some rhinestone glue. I end up using 2 for 2 different things. I'm using this one in the squeezy tube for like the big silver charms, just because it's a little bit thicker and it holds them really well. So I'm placing the devil face on the middle finger. I end up doing that for both nails, flash curing, and then I use like a pot nail gel glue nail rhinestone glue, and I take a brush and apply it where I want to place the little red rhinestones. And I'm so sorry, I'm terribly out of frame here, but you'll get the picture. I'm so sorry. I'll get better, guys. And if you're still here, since I like doing this and seeing who actually does it, how about you comment me down below some red hearts or devil emojis. So there's my head, but I know what I'm doing. Was just placing those red stones, curing, and there we go. I'm now gonna take that heart devil charm with the squeezy rhinestone glue, and I'm gonna apply that. Make sure you're doing like a really generous amount, because you don't want to get these like snagged. So I try to go around it as best I can and press it down so it's really in there. Flash cure, full cure. I cured these for like a really long time, just to be sure. And that's the potted rhinestone gel that I just showed. You can get them off of Temu, Shein, whatever. They're all really like the same. So I'm just painting it down in a line, and I'm going to put on the little cute red rhinestones in a straight line down the nail. Again, I love how easy this was, and it looks like I put in a lot more effort than I did, which is nice. I did get one of those little bendy phone filming holders, but I'm just having trouble, like, I don't know, getting it in the right spot, and like, I don't know, it's harder than it looks to get a good angle when filming nails, because like you kind of always want to put your head in the way, because I seem to want things like really close to my face. But yeah, so I'm just putting some more rhinestone glue under the devil's head and adding some red rhinestones. My god, I can't talk today. And then I am curing for quite a nice amount of time, because I want to make sure everything is really, really cured. And now we are going to add the skeleton hand to the other thumb. Pretty sure that glue I'm using, it's not by Macart, but it looks exactly like it, and I bet you it is the exact same thing. I did take out a little cross, but I ended up putting it back because I just thought they honestly didn't need it. So yeah, I'm going to take some of the black, or did I take the glitter? I don't know. I think right now I'm taking some of that glitter, yeah I am, and just applying it to the tip of the one finger of the bat charm, just because I thought it needed a little something more, and I didn't want to add more red rhinestones. I just wanted something a little different. Just doing a little bit more black to deepen the clouds. Just some final little touch-ups here. And again, I'm going to be curing, which thankfully I cut out. And I am actually applying the rhinestones to the thumb in a straight line down, keeping everything like symmetrical. This glue is pretty nice because they weren't really moving around super bad, which I thoroughly appreciate because that's super annoying when gems move. But yeah, I'm gonna finish that, cure it, and then I believe it is time to top coat everything. I'm cleaning up a little bit here. Okay, let's see. Yes, time to top coat. That is the top coat I was talking about. It's super cheap. I love that it's non-wipe, and I actually have another on backup. That's how much I like it. So I'm just doing my best to go around the rhinestones because I don't want them to lose their shine. But I am lightly going over the silver big charms because I don't want them to like tarnish or anything. So that's what I'm doing here. I mean, if you get it on the rhinestones, it's not the end of the world, but you know, I guess it's better if you don't, so they say. But yeah, and I'm going around the big charms, trying to like fill in any little spots so we get as least snagging as possible. And then I'm going to cure them again for the millionth time, and they are going to be complete. And guys, I could not be happier with how this set turned out. Like, I had this vision in my mind. I made the little Pinterest collage thing because I am a Pinterest girl. I get all my inspiration from there, and YouTube obviously. But it's like what was in my brain for once actually came to life, and I'm really happy. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.